In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Tradingview drawing tools. Start by opening your chart. Any market or time frame works, and you can move between them as you learn. Once your chart is open, look to the left side toolbar. This is where Tradingview groups all of its drawing tools for technical analysis, including essentials like trend lines, Fibonacci retracements, and geometric shapes such as rectangles, circles, and triangles. Each tool serves a purpose. Use lines to define trends or channels, Fibonacci to gauge potential retracements, and shapes to highlight zones you want to monitor. To place a drawing, click the tool you want. Then move your cursor onto the chart. Click once to set the starting point, drag to the desired location and release to place it. If you need to fine-tune the placement after you draw, select the object and adjust the anchors on its ends, or drag from the center to reposition it without changing its size. This makes it easy to align your drawings precisely with highs, lows, or key levels. When a drawing is selected, a floating customization toolbar appears nearby. Use it to quickly change the color, adjust line thickness or style, or delete the object if you no longer need it. Consistent styling helps you read your chart at a glance. For example, you might use one color for support, another for resistance, and a thicker line for the most important levels so they stand out. For deeper control, double-click any drawing to open its advanced settings. Here, you can manage visibility across time frames, ensuring a tool shows only where it's relevant. This keeps lower timeframe annotations from cluttering higher timeframe views. You can also add text to label the drawing with notes or context, which is especially helpful when you revisit the chart later. And if you are happy with the placement, lock the tool in place to avoid accidental nudges while scrolling or zooming. To speed up your workflow, mark your most used tools as favorites. Click the star icon next to any tool in the left toolbar, and Tradingview will create a custom quick access bar so your go-tos are always one click away. You can add or remove favorites anytime to keep this bar focused on what you use most. That's the process. Thanks for watching.